It's time for these things to go away for good. Today I've come up with a list of 10 fashion trends that need to go away and die before 2025. And I'm going to tell you what to wear instead. Hello everyone, it's Kathy and welcome back to my channel. So nice to have you here today. Today I got a fun video and I would love for you to chime in the comments and let's have a friendly discussion about some of the trends that you want to see die and be gone for 2025. So the first trend that I think should have died many years ago are Crocs. I know lots of people love their Crocs, and I'm talking about the ones, the original ones that came out for people to wear on their boats, where they're kind of bulky looking and they have holes on top. I know that a lot of healthcare professionals, people that are on their feet all day, often wear them. They say that they're quite comfortable, and I don't doubt that they are. But my concern is if you drop a needle on your foot or some body fluid or something, it's going to get on your feet, on your socks, and it's just a bit gross. So there are other options if you like Crocs. I mean, you could opt for some of these that I'm showing you, but I would just think that a more closed toe type sandal, like even a Birkenstock or Mephisto has some, that might be better than Crocs. So what do you think? Do you like Crocs or do you want to see them gone? The next trend that I really wish goes away are low-rise pants. Low-rise pants don't look good on anybody in my opinion. Maybe if you are a super thin rectangle shape, but if I was to wear low-rise pants, not a good look, because if you have even the tiniest bit, a tummy or belly fat, it's just going to create a huge muffin top and it's not flattering. So I would opt then instead for a mid-rise or a high-rise depending on if you have a short or long torso. They are much more flattering. Cold shoulder tops. This is probably going to be controversial. I've tried them in the past. Do not like them. They are not flattering, especially if you have an apple body shape like me where you have like rounded shoulders and your top is where you carry most of your weight. Just not flattering. I will tell you a top that is sexy and is so much more flattering is an off-the-shoulder top. So get yourself a good strapless bra and, pull your top down a bit off your shoulders. Show your collarbone off. That's really sexy. It's flattering. And if you have a tummy, it's going to bring attention upwards, which is what we're always trying to do. And it's going to have you looking much more current, on trend, updated, refreshed, and looking fine. Okay, bicycle shorts need to disappear. They're okay if you're exercising, but don't wear bike shorts going out to a restaurant or for dress up. That's just not a good look. Instead, why not just wear normal shorts? I mean, there are so many different lengths and styles of shorts today. You could wear a skirt, you could wear a skirt, you could wear cropped pants. Just anything is better than those lycra bike shorts. Yeah, just keep those for the gym or for riding your bike. The next thing that I really hope goes away are those eyelashes. I call them cow eyelashes. There's absolutely nothing wrong with wearing false eyelashes, but some people just wear them. They're so long, they're so thick and so heavy looking, you can't see their eyes. Like, I don't get it. So for me, I hope that trend just goes away and disappears. I have nothing against wearing false eyelashes, like I said, but maybe, some that are just a little less thick than, say, cow eyelashes. Although I used to tell my cows all the time they did have gorgeous eyelashes. They really do. I was always envious because my eyelashes are pretty much non-existent. So what's your feeling? Do you like those really big, thick, bulky eyelashes? Let us know in the comments. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you click that button. It's 100% free and I bring you 2 videos a week. I also invite you to follow me along on the Like to Know It app or the Like to Know It website. And that's just a free app where you can follow your favorite influencers, Instagrammers, YouTubers, and that's where I try and post my daily outfit of the day. So it's also free and you will get special in-app sales and alerts if something is out of stock when it comes back into stock or if it comes on sale. and I will put that link in the first pinned comment for you as well. I also really hope that embellished jeans go away. I think that anytime you put embellishment on jeans, especially if you have short legs or if you have a bit of a belly, and say the embellishments are, you know, closer to the hip, to the front of the pant, it's just not a good look. It's not flattering, and it's really doing you a disservice because it's bringing attention to that area. So I myself would opt for just plain jeans, you know, nice dark wash or medium wash, or in the summertime, you know, a lighter wash, but nothing with any embellishment. I just like plain Jane jeans. And if you want to add some embellishment, maybe wear some nice jewelry, some nice earrings or a nice necklace or some, you know, bracelets. Add some bling to your outfit that way. And I think you're going to look current and refreshed. Now, the high platform sneakers, I never liked them, and I really don't think that they are that flattering, and I really hope that they leave before 2025 gets here. There's nothing wrong with a platform sneaker. I have a couple of pairs. I'm showing you my favorite pair here. I got them at Nordstrom on sale. They're from Paul Green. They're classy, they're classic, and they actually elevate any outfit that I'm wearing, whether it be jeans, dress pants, or jogging pants. What I'm talking about are those really thick, high platform sneakers. I don't think it's current, and I just don't like the look myself. So this is on my top 10 list of things that I hope go bye-bye before 2025. This next one is probably going to be controversial too, but I'm talking about trucker hats. Unless you're exercising, you're driving a truck, or you're a farmer driving a tractor, I don't think you should be going around wearing trucker hats. It's real important to wear hats for sun protection, you know, so you don't get sunstroke. But maybe opt for more flattering hats, like a Panama hat, or I don't know what's in bucket hats, like it's the winter time, like two. I just think trucker hats, you know, leave them for the farmers, the truck drivers, the baseball players, whoever normally wears ball caps. I think that if you want to elevate your look, a hat can certainly do that, because to me, I consider that a layer. So, you know, get yourself a nice hat. I'm showing you a few here if you're into hats. And the next trend that I want to see gone before 2025 are wedge sneakers. And that's those really big, thick wedge sneakers. I know a lot of people like them, and, you know, cool. Do you. But this is my top 10 list, and I don't like them. So I just say opt for a nice pair of platform sneakers, just plain sneakers. Whenever I'm thinking sneakers, unless they're for exercise, I just want something that is classy and classic, and then that way I don't have to update my sneakers every year. So something that is going to stand the test of time. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of my list of top 10 trends that I want to see gone before 2025? Let us know what some of the trends that you want to see die. If you haven't subscribed, click that button, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.